Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to record your screen on TikTok Live. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open TikTok, and here we need to click on the home button in the bottom left corner to open our feed. And here in the top right corner we will see a little search icon. We need to click on it and search for some live translations. So simply type live right here and then click on the search button. It will show you all the live translations it can find. Moreover, if you click on the live button here in the top side of the screen, you will also see all the live translations that it will find, like this. Here they are. So if you click on some random translation you want to watch and record the screen on it, you need to simply click on it and wait until it will load. When it will load, you will see the translation, and here if you swipe the screen from the top right corner just like to the bottom like this, you will find the ability to record the video on this live translation clicking on this little round circle in the bottom side of the screen. In the left, as you can see, it is in red in my case because I'm recording the screen right now, but yours will be just white. You need to click on it and you will be able to record your live translation or someone's live translation on TikTok. And basically that is it. That is how you can record a live translation on TikTok. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.